Hello guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you how you can use this awesome setup right here to trade and scalp your boom and crash. I've explained this indicator before in my previous videos, how awesome it is, and some of you can testify to it. But recently people have been asking after it that I no longer use it for analysis and videos again, that maybe it's no longer working or reliable. No, it's far from it. Okay, I don't keep using all of my indicator at the same time. Whichever one I'm using and I'm profiting from it, it's actually very hard to change to the next one. But all of these setups are very good for our trading. Okay, now the reason why I use some of these for the video, so you guys will know the latest trend in market, the latest like instruments or indicators that you can use to better your trading experience. Okay, we are all result oriented. We are here for the profitability, and on the way it can get hard if you don't have the right education, so the profitability might come a bit harder. So that is why I use this kind of setup to explain to you, so you can get your hands on it and it will actually ease up the stress in the trading. Okay, awesome. So we are going to explain how we can use this. Okay, so I call this the signal 5 indicator or the non-lag indicator, and by looking at it alone you will understand that this is very simple. Okay, this is crash 500 and I'm using the 5 minutes time frame to explain what is happening right here in the chart. First thing, you note a line. Okay, this is a line right here. Okay, then you note the signal 5. Okay, that's basic thing that's here. Apart from this is the normal chart, it's just that the color just changes. Okay, that is the normal chart. Now, how are you going to trade this using this simple setup alone? How are you going to actually trade this profitably? First thing to understand is this is crash and you trade it when it's on uptrend. Okay, you can see from, for example, let me mark this out for you. Right from here, this point right here to this point here, you can see that is an uptrend, successive uptrend. That is 31 bars. 31 bars. If you are going to convert that to hours, that is a whole lot of hours right there. Okay, so how do you know the right time to enter the market? That is why this indicator comes in handy. You can see that there's an uptrend starting from this point. Okay, this blue point right here to this point, the uptrend was for like 15 or 20 minutes or whatever. Okay, 20 minutes before the signal 5 came out to confirm the trend. Okay, the trend was there for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles. Then the signal 5 appeared that okay, this is going to be an uptrend. At that point, the candle has crossed this line already. This line that looks like a moving average line. The candle has crossed it already. You can see the candle has crossed it. Then it starts an uptrend. You can see all this green up here at the upper part of the moving average. You see all these green candles up here. That is the best time to enter the market. Whenever the signal 5 comes up and show you the signal direction of the market, that is when you enter. And for sake of the record, when the blue circle signal comes out, that shows that there's going to be an uptrend. Okay, so you can see from here it came out from here and all the way here. Now I'm not saying it's going to be that long every time. That's why you must have a specific target. Okay, your trading target, your trading strategy, your trading approach. So if your strategy is that of taking like 2 candles and you call it a wrap, then you don't have a problem. Okay, 2 5-minute candle after this signal 5, you have it, then you move. Okay, you don't have to stay in the market until it pops out the gold 5 signal. Whenever it pops out the gold 5 signal, you will see that the market is going down on a downtrend. Okay, you can see this is crash. Also, this is crash. You trade the uptrend, then it started crashing. When it started crashing, then you can't really rely on the market. Only if you want to trade against the momentum of the market, that is when you enter for the crash, then you trade it downward. Okay, that's exactly how it works. Now right here the market is trying to consolidate, so you can see that the market is not really following a specific direction. Right here you can see that it's going up and coming down, try to stay in between, so it's trying to consolidate. And when it's happening like this, you really have to wait for it to give you a breakout. Okay, because the breakout might be front, it might be back. Okay, so you really have to wait. So it keeps on going like this until it start breaking down. You can see that the blue circle blue comes out here again, so you can enter here and go for 2 candles. Okay, then it went up for some time. This is not a huge long trend, but let's check and calculate. Maybe it's up to 1 hour. Okay, this is 9 bars. That's about 45 minutes. That is enough. You only needed 10 minutes out of it. Then the circle signal 5 comes out, which shows a downtrend. Then the market crash it down. Then the blue one comes out right here again. Okay, you can see from here. Then you take your 2 candles. You can see this is very simple. Whenever the blue signal 5 comes at you, it's easy for you to take 2 candles. Okay, it's way easy. So let's jump to the live chart right here and see what the market is saying. Okay, so right here you can see, okay, this is an invisible candle break. Okay, but the green, the blue signal 5 is out, so entering for 2 candles here is very advisable. Okay, so you can see the circle is out, but just that an invisible candle happens here, so it drops. So you can enter right here and start scalping. So you can see here, you enter here to 2 candles, and that is how reliable this indicator is. Okay, so that is, I'm just explaining it to you for those of you that are new to this channel, so you can understand how it works, and for those of you asking in my inbox if it's still reliable or not, for those of you that have it, keep on using it. Okay, it's pretty awesome and very reliable to use. Okay, I'm not saying it's 100% because no strategy out there is 100%, but this is reliable and you can use it well to your advantage. I hope you guys are trading safe and making money. I thank you guys, and I hope to see you in the next video.